So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something about the quotient rule. So we are going to do two questions from the quotient rule, and I'm going to explain to you what the quotient rule is. So the quotient rule is the derivatives of y with respect to x equals v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. This is the quotient rule, and this is the basic law that you should learn. We use the quotient rule to find the first derivative of fx. Therefore, this is equal to fx. And here you have it, the quotient rule. And now this is the first derivative of it. First derivative, vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. And we are going to discuss question number 1, which says fx equals 2x squared plus 1 over x minus 1 squared. To find the first derivative of this, we should find the derivatives. We know that this fx equals y, so therefore derivatives of y with respect to x equals vu prime minus ub prime over v squared. Dy by dx equals v, which is x minus 2 squared, x minus 1 squared, and u, which is this. To find, we should find the first derivative of this. So to find that by this, we should do something like 2x squared plus 1. Does 1 have any power of x? No. Therefore, we take this. This as x. We use this equation in an minus 1 equals 2, which is the second power here, dot 2, which is this, and x minus 1, which is 2 dot 2 x 2 minus 1, which is equals to 4x. That answer we take here, minus 2x squared plus 1. V prime is this, x minus 1 squared. So we take 2x minus 1, 2 minus 1, which is 2x minus 1. We put that here, 2x minus 1. So therefore, we draw a line, the division line, and x minus 1 should be all things squared again. So that is x minus 1, 4. Okay. So in here we can take, there is a common thing. We can take x. We can take dy by dx equals x minus 1, 4x minus 2x squared plus 1 dot 2 and x minus 1 cube. Here we have it. So in here we got to put dy by dx equals 4x minus 4x squared minus 4x minus 4x squared minus 2, which makes this and this to cancel off. X minus 1 cube is equal to minus 2x plus 1, and here you have the first derivative of fx. And now you got to check whether your simplifications are right. 4x squared, 4x minus 4x, this and this is 4x squared, this and this is also minus 2. So here you have it, the first derivative of fx. And there you have it, one question is done. We are going to move into the next question, which we are going to do question number 2, which says that fx equals x squared, x minus 1, x minus 2. This is u, this is v, this part we take it as u, this part we take it as v, and here also this is u, this is v. There you have it, fx, and then you take derivatives of y with respect to x, because this is equals to y, and fx, which is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Make sure you use this equation in all your sums until you get the thing correct, and dy by dx equals x minus 1, x minus 2 by 2x. We explained it in here. To get it, x squared equals 2x, 2 minus 1, which is 2x. Same thing we did here, minus u, which is x squared, and this you have a special way of doing it. This is like a product of this, it's a sum, and to get it you should use something called the power rule. I'm going to write, the power rule, which mentions x minus 1, x minus 2. You take this as u, this as v, which is vu prime plus uv prime. The power rule. Make sure you get this note on your writing book or your notebook. So in here, u is x minus 2, and when you differentiate it, it's 1 plus x minus 1 dot 1, because if you take the derivative of the first derivative of x minus 1, it will be 1, because there is x. There is only one x to the power 1, which will be when it's x to the power 0, because x 1 minus 1, x 0 equals 1. Alright, so here we have it, and now we should do this. V squared x minus 1 squared x minus 2 squared dy by dx. So everything doesn't have a common term, therefore we are going to take the common x out of it, which this is going to be 2x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 4, and this is going to be when we take some x out, x squared plus 2x, right? 2x, and that is going to be minus x squared plus 1 plus x. So this we are going to do that, and x minus 1 squared, x minus 2 squared, dy by dx equals x. This cancels off, so then we have 2x, which is 2 and 2 will cancel off. This is going to be x 4 minus 3x by x minus 1 squared, x minus 2 squared equals the first derivative of fx. So there you have it. This is 2 questions. This is more than enough for you to learn about. Try out new questions. I'll be posting new questions in my forum. You can follow my Instagram in the link below, and this is the 2 applications that you will need. This has basic and this has something more, which is called the power rule in it. Be sure to take down this note, subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.